Okay.
The butter looks disgusting?
It looks okay.
Okay. You get a roller spatula.
Is it on?
Yeah. It's on low heat.
No, that.
Yeah, that's on. Alright, this is how you do it. Put it on low.
You put it on low.
You put it on low. We'll teach Gordon Ramsay how to make eggs too, right? You don't need that much butter. Just enough
To fill the pan.
just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. Remember what he did? He threw in a big wad of butter right in with the eggs in a pot?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're not going to do that because that's crazy. Because we're making scrambled eggs. We're not making pudding. Remember, what did you say? What did you say those eggs look like? Pudding?
Yeah. No. Rotten eggs are smushed and green stuff on it. That's dirty.
Green stuff? Those are chives. Those are good, but they look like pudding.
Yeah.
Like disgusting pudding. See, look at that. Coat the bottom of the pan. That's all the butter you need. Right?
Mhm.
Then you should already have your bacon cooked. Okay?
Okay.
Now you can start putting the eggs in right now. You want to try to crack one?
Okay.
You can crack one. See how I did that? Hit it hard on there and then peel it apart with your thumbs.
I'm
Is that hard on the edge? You got it. Give it a good hit. Good hit. There you go. Now peel it apart. Peel it. No, stick your. There you go.
okay.
Perfect. It doesn't matter that the egg broke or the yolk broke.
Yeah, because we're gonna break it.
We're gonna make scrambled eggs. Another one. See how it's starting to cook the bottom of the whites a little bit?
It doesn't matter if you get your hands wet.
See that? How it's cooking the bottom of the whites a little bit?
Now I want to cook it with some. Then put a little bit of milk.
So I cook the bottom of the whites just a little bit. Put a shot of milk in there.
Take 3 shots because you did.
Milk in the fridge. Let the bottom cook a little more. Now I'll start stirring it around. Just scrape on the bottom. You can break all the yolk.
Okay.
Alright, start stirring it. Keep stirring it. Scrape the sides and the bottom. Hold the pan. There you go. Here like this. Here like this. Here like this. You gotta scrape. Scrape the sides. Scrape the bottom. Just keep doing that. They'll start pulling up as it gets hotter.
I'm making some egg.
How's it going over there? Keep scraping the bottom up. Oh, like that? Is that lighter? Scrape it. Scrape the bottom.
Okay.
Keep doing that. Alright, then for toast, I have this sprout bread. It's got kind of a cheesy flavor to it.
Make sure you don't burn it like he did.
Exactly. You know, that's one thing about making scrambled eggs that we can teach Gordon Ramsay. Is if you're gonna make scrambled eggs, try not to burn the toast. And remember the bread that he was using?
Yeah.
Alright, keep scraping it more faster.
Yes, he did this.
See, there you go. It's starting to come up. Perfect. I'll keep going from here.
Okay.
Hold on, you gotta be fast though. So.
I want to be fast. Yeah, it's not turning out white like he did.
No, look at that.
Because we didn't put any cream in it.
Yeah, he put a giant wad of butter in it, and then a big wad of creme fraiche, and then he barely even cooked the eggs. I don't know what he was really trying to go for there. They're almost done. Turn the heat off.
I want to try.
Keep scraping the bottom. There you go. The toast in the toaster. Try not to burn it, yeah.
The butter and the cream were bad when he did it. There was a big chunk of butter and a big chunk of cream.
A little salt on there.
With a little bit of eggs.
And a little bit of pepper. Alright, take them off the heat. Put the cheese on. Alright, don't stir them anymore now. Should almost clump them up into a ball. Alright, and put them in on one side of the pan. Kind of spread them out kind of flat.
And then let the cheese melt. Oh, okay, it's done. One done. It popped. One popped. So that one's done. Daddy, that one's done.
Toast is done? Is the toast enough?
This one is done.
Is toast?
Yep.
Yeah, it's perfect. I need to butter it.
No, it's not done. Wait, some. Yep, this one's
Remember,
ready.
we put milk
Daddy,
in
this
it.
one is ready.
He put creme fraiche
Daddy,
in
this
it.
one is ready.
Creme fraiche and
Daddy,
eggs.
this one's ready.
So I don't even know if they were scrambled eggs anymore. That one's ready? Thank you.
They were not scrambled anymore when he put the cream in.
Yeah, they was like pudding. Here. Now, you scoop it up onto the plate.
The other one is ready too. I took it out. And then done.
And that's it?
Yep, that's it.
And that's how you do it. Oh, I dropped some on the bacon.
But that's okay.
You don't want that for presentation purposes. Okay, put it to the side, do it like that. Put it off the edge of the plate so it looks kind of nice. And there you go. Wow, what looks better? Does those eggs look better or Gordon Ramsay's?
Those.
Which one would you rather have?
These. I read